In this video, I'll show you how to set up and play Ben 10 on any mobile device in 2026 and the best settings to utilize to get the best performance and FPS when playing the game. Now, simply open your Google Play Store app or your App Store and then search for PPSSPP. Now you are going to see two versions. You are going to see the normal version. You're also going to see the gold version. So simply download any one of your choice. Now, once you're done with that, search for Z Archiver and also install this to your device. It's very, very important. Now, once you are done with this, open your emulator for the very first time. Once open, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. Click on OK. Now it's going to take you to your main directory. Once you get here, just choose any folder that you want it to utilize. As for me, I normally like using my document section. So I'll click on document, use this folder, allow. Then I'll click on OK. Now, as you can see, the interface is open, but there's no game in here to play. Now, open your Z Archiver app. Once you open your Z Archiver app, locate your game files. Now, my game file is inside my download section. So I'll go to my download section. You can see that I have a PSP game here to play. It's actually a zip file. So what we're going to do, we're going to tap on it. Just tap on it just once. If you tap on it, it's going to show you three extraction option. To show you extract here, extract to, and then this extract that you can see with a 3 dots. Click the third option, which is this extract with the 3 dots. Once you click on it, just click back, go to your main directory, then locate your PSP folder. If you remember, my PSP folder is in the document section. So I'll click on document, PSP, I'll go into the game folder, and then you see a arrow below. Click on that arrow. Once you click on it, it's going to start extracting the game file inside that PSP game file. So let's wait for it to finish doing that. Alright, as you can see, it is done doing that. So let's reopen our emulator. Once you open the emulator, you notice that there's still no game here to play because it does not even know where you kept your game. So you have to show it. Now you're going to see a browse icon at the top. Click on that browse icon. Then go to your main directory, document, PSP, game. This is where we'll be keeping our game. So you are going to click use this folder, allow. And just like that, you can see the game is there and is ready to play. Now, like I said, you are going to be needing some settings to give you the best performance and, FPS when playing on any mobile device. Now, I already have a dedicated video for that. So I'm going to be recommending that video at the end of this video. So do make sure to stick to the end so you don't miss out on that video. Now, let's give this game a try and see how it goes. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.